Welcome to Car AutoZone, where passion meets performance. Today we're diving into something truly iconic, the all-new Volkswagen Karmann Ghia 2025. Yes, you heard that right. The legendary nameplate is back, and it's making waves in the automotive world once again. The original Karmann Ghia, first introduced in the 1950s, was a fusion of German engineering and Italian design. It stood out as a stylish, lightweight coupe and convertible that blended elegance with simplicity. Fast forward to 2025, and Volkswagen has reimagined this classic beauty for a new generation, retaining its nostalgic soul but wrapped in futuristic technology and design. From the first glance, the 2025 Karmann Ghia turns heads. Its curvy silhouette and low stance pay homage to the original, while sleek LED lighting, flush door handles, and bold wheel arches give it a thoroughly modern edge. The front fascia is clean and aerodynamic, with a minimalist grille and signature VW light strip that glows with sophistication. Under the hood, or should we say under the floor, lies an all-electric powertrain. The new Karmann Ghia rides on Volkswagen's MEB platform, which is used across their electric lineup. With an estimated range of around 300 miles on a full charge and a 0 to 60 time of just under 6 seconds, this coupe is not just about looks, it's built to perform. Rear-wheel drive comes standard, but an all-wheel drive variant is expected later in the year for those who want an extra kick. Inside the cabin, the 2025 Karmann Ghia balances retro charm with high-tech comfort. The dashboard features a sleek, digital cockpit, while the round vents and two-tone color schemes echo the original model's interior. Soft touch materials, ambient lighting, and sustainable upholstery options all add to the premium feel. There's even a nostalgic touch in the analog-style speedometer overlay, cleverly integrated into the digital display. Connectivity is at the heart of the new Ghia. The infotainment system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice, control, real-time EV route planning, and over-the-air updates. Safety hasn't been overlooked either, with adaptive cruise control, lane assist, blind spot monitoring, and emergency braking all included. Volkswagen has done more than just revive a name. They've redefined what a modern classic can be. The 2025 Karmann Ghia isn't trying to be a volume seller. It's a design-driven halo vehicle meant to stir emotion and turn heads. Whether you're a longtime VW fan or someone who appreciates the blend of art and engineering, this car speaks directly to the heart. Production is expected to be limited, making this a collector's dream from day one. Pricing hasn't been officially announced yet, but industry insiders estimate it will start around $45,000, reasonable, considering the performance, heritage, and electric tech packed inside. Thanks for tuning in to Car AutoZone. If you love classic-inspired modern machines, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest automotive icons. Let us know in the comments. Would you drive the 2025 Karmann Ghia?